Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to improve vitamin D. First, let's understand why this vitamin is so crucial for your well-being. It plays a vital role in bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. We'll then explore the most effective ways to naturally increase your levels, ensuring you feel your best every day. Get ready to take control of your health. Sunlight is your body's natural way to produce vitamin D. Try to get 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun exposure several times a week. Remember to expose a good portion of your skin, like your arms and legs, without sunscreen initially. However, always be mindful of your skin type and the intensity of the sun to avoid sunburn. This simple habit can make a big difference. Beyond sunlight, your diet plays a key role. Include fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, which are excellent natural sources. Also, look for fortified foods like milk, certain cereals, and orange juice. If dietary intake isn't enough, supplements can be effective. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. Maintaining a healthy weight can also improve vitamin D absorption, as excess body fat can sequester the vitamin. Regular physical activity supports overall health, indirectly aiding vitamin utilization. It's wise to have your vitamin D levels checked periodically by a doctor to ensure they are within a healthy range. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.